This little video will go over the different sections on this form that we're asking you to fill in. First, we want your first name, last name, your Skype ID, your email address, and your phone number. And that's the email address where you want to receive communications. And these are the cloud accounts that you will go and create your accounts with, and you're going to enter your payment info. And most of these accounts have free trials and credits to offset any payments. And there are video tutorials right next to each account to show you how to set that up. Then we need your username and password for each of the cloud accounts. You can use the same username and password for each of these accounts. We're going to do this part. We need a project name. The project name may or may not have SEO value, so you can use a keyword for the project name. If you want, you can use a different keyword for each of these accounts. You just want to add something to the keyword that would distinguish it from all other projects that would be in any of these different accounts. So if you used hardwood flooring, you would add, say, a city name or a company name or something to distinguish it. We need the Gmail address and password that you've used for setting up your Google Cloud account. And it's recommended that you get a new Gmail address for setting these up. And that's it for this tutorial.